Hi. Okay. Good.
It's recording.
Today you get a cameraman.
Hello. Oh, I can't see me, can it? Hi. You have it backwards, so they saw me that whole time. I can't even see you. Let me take this down real quick. Ooh, I can see now.
We are making a Ouija board. I don't have enough money. Yes, I'm broke. Okay.
Dang, your brightness is at the very max. It's just so hard to see you.
We're going to write yes right here.
That was one of the worst yeses I've ever seen.
And no over here.
You gotta put the sun and the moon. The sun has to go here and the moon goes here. The sun has a smiley face. That's one of the worst moons I've ever been seeing. Look at the sun!
Stop!
It has to look like a stalker sun. No, that's a moon.
And a moon.
That's one of the. That looks like a Nike sign, my dude.
A,
B,
C, D.
You have to have a goodbye at the end.
E.
Dang, you look so nice. Your skin looks so good in this picture. Like it is lag. What the hell? I just saw something in that window and I was watching this and I just saw.
Okay, guys. So later when we was not recording.
Over there at that house.
Over there at that house, we saw. I mean, we didn't saw, but we heard like a man and a woman fighting.
Yes.
So we're trying to contact that spirit over there.
Oh my god, I'm your camera. Can I take this off because I can see? Like I'm gonna put it like this so I can see.
You better put it back on.
I will.
It's on my screen protector.
Your screen protector, you need to get a new one, or you just have to clean it. Why don't you just take it off? Because oh my god, it's a lot better to see. We're gonna cut back at a time where she's done with it.
Yeah.
Oh, cut. Okay.